Hello, my beautiful plant lovers. Meet the variegated umbrella plant. With its glossy green and yellow patterned leaves, this plant instantly brightens any space and adds a fresh tropical feel to your home or office. We are repotting it from a polythene paper to a big mahogany pattern clay pot. The umbrella plant is loved for its elegant umbrella-shaped foliage, easy maintenance, and air-freshening quality. It thrives best in indirect light and only needs moderate watering, and making it perfect for both beginners and plant lovers. Repotting is one of the best things you can do to your plant. Umbrella plant is known for its glossy green and yellow leaves that create a bold tropical looks that instantly elevate any space. Perfect for office, living room, balconies, or reception areas. The plant is easy to maintain, loves bright indirect light, and only needs moderate water. Beyond its beauty, the umbrella plant helps create a fresher and more relaxing environment, while adding that rich modern plant aesthetic everyone loves. It's simple, elegant, and timeless granite. After repotting a plant, don't skip the simple step. Gently wipe or wash the leaves, because repotting often leaves dust behind on your leaves, soil particles, and hidden stress on the plant. Clean leaves helps the plant breathe better by opening up tiny pores hidden for photosynthesis. They also absorb more light, which means faster recovery and healthier growth. Wiping the leaves also helps you spot early pests before they settle in and cause any damage to your plant. It reduces the risk of fungal issues caused by leftover moisture or dust. It is a fresh start for your plant, not just in the soil, but above it too. A clean leaf is a happy leaf. Transform your space with a stunning variegated umbrella plant.